Howdy and welcome to the Cape. It's great to have you back. I'm Mark and you're watching Blue Street Customs. Howdy and welcome back. Today, in this episode, I'm going to show you how I made the roof tiles for the roofing. Stay tuned, we'll get right to it. Okay, this is how I made these roof tiles, tin roof style. All I used to make these, I'll show you everything I used. I used some aluminum sheet, which I got from the dollar store. It's those disposable trays and cookie sheets that you can buy. Real thin, awesome for making this type of stuff. So taking the sheet, I cut out strips. They are 25 millimeters wide. And depending on how big your sheet is for length. Then I marked them off at 40 millimeters long, right? So some cases, what do we got? An inch by an inch and a half. Oh, an inch and 5/8. And then from there, I cut them out. Then I went and took a piece of my plywood, which again came from the dollar store. 1/4-inch plywood. Cut that in small piece, whatever size you want. I also took from the dollar store some bamboo skewers, right? Just some bamboo skewers from the dollar store. And also, I guess you'd call them big tongue depressors from the dollar store. Cut everything up, and I made these. This little template. Use plywood. I put 5 on here. Glue them down to the spacing that you want. Put 6 on here. And the whole, I rounded off the edges so you don't dig into the aluminum. All that does is fit in the grooves so they don't go deep down inside. They actually stop before it gets to the bottom. So what I did was take one of these, give it a light press, take it across, back and forth a few times. Very simple, very easy, very cheap. Now I'll flip it over because it does cause it to make kind of a U shape, right? So I'll just give it a light press from the back side. Flattens it out. And that's how I made them all. Very easy. Use what you've got. I think in total this cost me, let's see, $1.50, $1.50, so that's 3. And another 3, so that's $6 to do all this. A little bit of your time. Very easy. Now later on, I'll take these, I'll put them on, in this case, my Waterwheel Sawmill for roofing, and I will oxidize them, make them look a little rusty, and everything will look fairly realistic. So that's how I did it. So if you have any questions, just post them down in the comments, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching. Later.